Hi, today I will show you how Device software works. This is going to be the first part of the tutorial. This is the dailynewpost.com, which is actually the website which is powered by Device. Now, I want to advise you that I'm going to keep every single mistake that I'm going probably to do, for the simple reason because I want to show you every possible mistake that can occur, because it's easy to make the post-production and make it beautiful and nice. So in this case, after you have signed up and filled all these things here that you can see right now, you will receive the mail in which you will be asked to confirm the registration to the Daily New Post, and that's it. Very simple. Now let's start with the presentation of Device. I'll put my name, my password. I will sign in. I'm sorry, wrong password. Sign in. Okay, great. Now what do we have here? This is my nickname. I have a cast, edit profile, if I'm not satisfied with this, public page, and the messaging system. Now in this case we'll start with the cast. I call them casts, but they are simply videographical presentations in real time. Note that we are constantly online. All the time we are constantly online. This is not post-production. These are my old casts that I've done before, and this is going to be a new one. It's very easy to use. Just follow the steps. It's very friendly. Follow the steps. If you make any kind of mistake, the software will tell you that you did mistake and you have to redo the stuff. So type cast title here. Okay, we'll put test. Here in abstract or subtitle, which will appear in a home page, we will write simply how Device works. Okay, here we have to select the breaking news, because every time is going to be breaking news. Every time you will put a new thing, so it's going to be breaking news. And here we have to select the column in which we are going to place our graphical video presentation. In this case, let's take lifestyle. Here, how many slides do you need? Between 1 and 30, which means in this moment you can put 30 slides. But if you need 60, 70, 100, I don't know for which reason, I will show you later that you can add them all the time and put as much as you need. So basically, let's say here we will put 6 slides. Next step, continue with the next step. Now we have 6 slides here. If we need, we can add here, you see, additional slide. And we can go on and put slides as much as we need. In this case, we can change the background of the slides, and let's take, I don't know, the blue one. It seems like nice. Here we have preview the slide, so that whatever you write into the slide, you can preview it first. This is the edit the slide. This is the cancel the slide if you don't like it. And this thing here is to move the slide to right to the left, or right, or slide to the left or to the right, if you would like to place them how you want to place them. So let's start with the editor. This is our editor. It's very simple. Remember that we are going, in this moment, whatever we do, in real time, and we are constantly online. We are not offline preparing something and then uploading. We are constantly online. Remember that you can even change the title of the slide every time if you want to. We can add here So basically what we got here, we have four options. We can put text only, we can put image, we can put both text and image, and we can put hyperlink to the web page. This hyperlink to the web page is a new thing completely, and I will show you later how it works. It's not a hyperlink, this one here, insert the link, but it's completely new thing, very simple. You will see that you can make, after a couple of times you try, you can make incredible presentation. So we start with the text. Okay, so here we will write the same thing as we wrote before. How device works. Okay, so this is the editor in which you can do whatever you like. You can, put it bold, you can move, you can change the colors of the letters. I mean, normal editor, you can do whatever you like. So we save the slide, and what the viewer is going to see is this. But in this case, you're previewing the slide. You're previewing, maybe you're not satisfied this way, so maybe you want to go back and do more this. For example, to put it in the center, and then you will see it again, and you will say, okay, now I'm satisfied. Now you can write here whatever you like in any case. The second thing is image only. You don't have to follow exactly as I'm doing right now. You can put first image, then you can put the text, then you can put the image and text together later on. You don't have to follow exactly. I'm just telling you the options that you have. So image, you have to find an image in your documents that I hope you have, because if you want to prepare any kind of presentation, even if it's PowerPoint, you will have the image into your document. So let's take the first image, which looks let's say, I don't know, okay, let's say this one here. No, I'm sorry, let's say this one here. It's a Google car. You're going to preview it if you're satisfied. Okay, let's say that you're satisfied with the Google car here. Now I will show you mixed text and image both. We will cancel this, and we'll write the same sentence as usual. How device works. Now we're gonna place a photo or image close to the sentence. Let's take any photo which is normal one. I don't know, let's take this one here. So what you're gonna see, what your viewer gonna see, is this here, this thing here. So basically, now we're satisfied with this. Maybe in this case we would like to move this one here and keep the Google car on the other side. Now I will show you something else with the image. This slide can handle any animation. So let me find if I have some animations here in my documents. So animated GIF, any kind of animation. So you can put whatever. Let's say this thing here. Let's see if it's, yes, it's GIF. So let's see what's going on here. Okay, we got the lady who is walking. You see here? Now obviously you can have a charts here, you can have animation of any other, for the schools, for the education, etc. Maybe we can find some other animation which is better and shows better what we were thinking about that. when I say animation, it could be, let me see if we can find I don't know if this is, no, this is not the animation. So let me see here. Okay, maybe this one here. Okay. Okay, so we have, you see, we have animation here. And you can talk about this later, I will show you. Now, I will show you how can you pop up into the slide a Google map. You have to click here, view source. And it's written here, hint, to insert a map for the Google map, copy and paste embedded code, etc., etc. So what we're going to do, we're going to take the embedded code of the Google map that I already prepared to make it short, because otherwise it will take too long. And this is the miser part. So what we do, simply we take the link, this one here, we copy, and then we place it into our copy. Okay, now what we got here, it's very simple. We have here our Google map, and this is preview. This is how your viewer is going to see this miser part. Now obviously you can put indication, how can you reach the miser part, etc., etc. Now here I would like to show you something else. I would like to show you, actually, clicking again on a view source, and I would like to show you that you can put even a street view in the same way. Let's take the street view from the Google map, and let's put this street view over here. Now let's gonna see what's gonna happen. Okay, here is the miser part, and we do perfectly same thing. It's pretty empty today, but we take the link and we place it, pop it up directly into the slide. Sorry. Okay, and now what we got here, we have a street view of the miser park. You see here? You see here? Let's say that we can move it a little bit. In any case, this is that viewer is going to see. Now the last thing, which is most important thing, is hyperlink to the web. So I have to add another slide, and I show you something incredible. Instead to beg your customer, client, or whoever, please follow us on www.com, wherever, I have prepared here, just to make it short. For example, this is the site of the Mercedes. What do? You just copy and paste into the here, hyperlink here. Now please start with HTTP or with HTTPS. If it doesn't work with HTTPS, just cancel the S and stick with the HTTP. So if we save this, what we got here, we have open link of the Mercedes here, directly to the client, directly to the viewer. You see here, computer is a little bit slow, but in any case, this is the